All right, so usually brother and dad will do all of the, like, before I get in the semi to drive it, they will check the oil and all that. But if I need to know how to do that, so he's gonna show me how to do that because we have to take the semi to the mechanic today. Well, you didn't show me how to lift the hood.
Do it back to see if she can get it.
Yeah, put it back down. Is it unlatched?
Yep.
Well, where do I unlatch it?
Sides by the cab.
So I just have to pull.
Pull.
Does it matter from where?
Yeah, put your foot on that step, not on the plastic.
Huh?
Put your foot on the step, not on the plastic.
And pull here?
Yep.
Can I put on the, there we go. That's not too hard.
Find the oil.
That?
Nope.
Oh, just tell me.
Look.
That. I knew it was one of those thingies.
Wipe your hand on
Good. Huh.
over here. Yep. And this one right here. This is a nice little latch.
Hold on.
Yeah, pull it out.
Huh?
Yep.
All right, is it warmed up or do we have to do it again?
Already built up.
I think we need to let it warm up some while we clean the inside. All right, so bro started up the semi like a half hour ago and let it warm up so that we didn't have to wait so long. So yeah, this is already pretty much warmed up. That didn't help much. When I first started driving semi and I checked the tires, I told Dad, I was like, these tires are pretty like thick. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to know if it's flat or not. And he was just like, you'll know. And So one of the times I was checking the tires and they were all good, but then I got to this one and it was just a thud. And so now I know, having that one bad tire, what to look for. It's bouncing back like that. When I hit the flat tire, it was just like up and it stayed there. Oh, good. I should have cleaned that window. All right, so we've been sitting here for about 15 minutes now because the trailer brakes are stuck. So that is why we are taking the semi today. So during harvest, Dad was at the plant delivering a load of grapes, and he was in the pit dumping his load of grapes, and he got stuck there. The trailer brakes on the semi, they got stuck and they would not unlatch. And he had a whole line of trucks behind him, and other truckers were coming over to help him get them unstuck. And so that eventually got unstuck, and the mechanic, we got a temporary fix on it, on the trailer brakes. And then the mechanic said to just bring it in after harvest. And so now it is mid-January, and Dad called and said the mechanic is ready for the semi with the trailer now. So we're taking in the the Kenworth semi, we're taking it in with the trailer because the trailer brakes, they're definitely breaking. So that's what we're doing today. So actually, they've been, hold on. Yeah. So we're just waiting for the trailer brakes to get unstuck.
That's a lot.
All right, so we weren't going to record today because after harvest we still hadn't cleaned the semi. Like, the reality of working on a farm is that the equipment gets dirty and boots are muddy, and so just things get dirty. And so with it being winter, we hadn't cleaned the semi yet. And so we told him, why are you going so fast? So what I was saying was that we just did a quick surface clean on the semi, and we will do a deep clean on it a bit later. It is a bit cold today, so that's what we're doing. We're taking the semi into the mechanic to get the trailer, and there's some kind of leak on the semi too. So that's what we're doing.